welcome to Tipsy VP episode 8th November 2019, a weekly show where we share tips and tricks on how to improve your social media. Tipsy VP is brought to you by Virtual Palace Marketing, the digital marketing agency that helps small businesses go digital. My name is Sean.
And I'm JK.
This week's weekly Tipsy, all you need to know about TikTok analytics. TikTok is getting big really fast, and brands are working hard to figure out how to get into the game. While the platform itself lets the demand for content determine how brands can fit into the game, it is already providing analytics to help brands. So, if you're a brand figuring out the platform or a partner trying to work with TikTok brands, here is a list of analytics that can give some clarity on how to get information on, how brands work and everything like that. The first one is you need a pro account to access analytics. Quite similar to Facebook and Instagram, analytics will only be available to pro users. The good news is you don't have to require special verification to get this status. All you have to do is switch. From your profile settings, tap Manage My Account, then switch to Pro Account at the bottom. Then choose the category which your content is based on. They got multiple categories. Key in your mobile number and wait for a verification code to arrive. Once it's done, you will have access to analytics under the settings part.
All right. Secondly, analytics profile overview. The profile overview identifies how well your account is performing overall. This includes data like your total video views, profile views, and follower count. Video view is the total number of times your video has been viewed in the past 7 or 28 days. Profile view shows how many times your profile was viewed in 7 or 28 days. Because this information is separated into days, you can find out which content is driving increased profile views. Followers count is the total number of followers you have over a 7-day or 28-day period. Similar to profile views, the daily metrics allow you to see which content is driving up followers count.
The third one is followers data. The followers data will show you information of your followers, including their gender, which part of the world they are from. It also shows an overall growth compared to last week. It's quite simple, but it gets straight to the point, and it directly tells you what you want to know.
Alright, so next up we have an ad from Chop Chang Bee. This episode of Social Media Weekly is brought to you by Chop Chang Bee Cafe at the heart of Melaka, Malaysia. Chop Chang Bee serves authentic Nyonya and fusion cuisine and is located at Jonker Street, just 5 minutes walk from the famous Red Square and A Famosa in Melaka City. Their most iconic dishes includes the curry laksa and nasi lemak. Also equally impressive are their range of homemade cakes like the carrot cakes, which uses pineapple instead of raisins, and the ondeh ondeh cake, which is a must try.
I think I want to drop by Malacca this weekend just to have the ondeh ondeh cheesecake. I miss it so much. Yeah, I miss it so much.
How many times have you been dropping by?
I think this will be the 4th time I'm going down to Malacca just for that. The ondeh ondeh cheesecake is only available on weekends and it's quite limited. But if you have it, you have never had any cake like that before in your life. It's out of this world.
I see. So what's best than that is if you're heading to Chop Chang Bee, be sure to get 10% off your entire receipt with promo code CTB10 so you can enjoy it.
I wonder if I can get the 10% off.
Why not?
I'll just wear a mask. And
I'm going to use the CTB10. Then we have a data inside.
I know, right? Yeah.
One data.
Yeah, one.
Alright.
Okay, we move on to point number 4, analytics of TikTok. Content data. The content data shows the performance of for each video posted in the past 7 days. There are 2 sections here. One shows the performance of posts you published in the past 7 days, and the other actually shows the ones that are trending during the same time. So the trending ones are actually not the videos that you post in the past 7 days. It's like older videos that you have, but they are still trending. The one above is the one that shows you a list of the videos that you have posted in the past 7 days.
I see. Okay.
Then when you click into the video, each video, you will be able to see more metrics like total like counts, total number of comments, total shares, total play time of the video, total video views, average watch time. So, okay, let's just get this back. Total play time of the video is not the same as total video views. So you can have one view with multiple play times. Let's say, for example, I watched the video 5 times, then it's one view, but 5 play. Yeah, 5 play times.
Okay.
Then you have the average watch time and traffic source type. Traffic source type shows you where they saw your videos from. TikTok actually has two sources. One section is called For You, another one is Following. For You is kind of like an explore section where you see videos from people you don't follow. The trending ones, based similar content to the ones that you follow, this kind of stuff. They use their algorithm to feed you all these things. Yeah.
All right.
And the following ones only shows you the content from people you follow. Then there is this thing called the audience territory, which is just a breakdown of countries and regions your viewers are from. TikTok is a very global brand, so where your videos will most likely be based on users from all over the world.
Okay. All right. So next up, 5. Use Pentos to analyze competitors. TikTok's analytics platform is good to know what's going on with your account, but does nothing to show other accounts. This is where the third-party services comes useful. Pentos is a service that lets gather data from accounts you don't own. By simply inserting their account's details, signing up lets you track basic details for up to 3 accounts. The free details includes following count, number of fans, total hearts, engagement rate, average comments, average likes, and number of videos. All these can be obtained by getting into the account one by one, but it's way faster here. If you want more information, you will have to pay a price starting at $20 a month. One of the key features unlocked with paid version is the hashtags research. This allows you to see the performance of hashtags, including data like its engagement rate, average comments, average likes, total views, and total posts. Pentos is the third-party app.
Yeah, it's a third-party app. So you have to pay. You do have the free one, but it's very basic stuff. But if you want to get into like the real details, you have to pay $20 a month. That's quite a lot.
Yeah, correct. And it's only for
almost
TikTok.
100 ringgit. Yeah, it's only for TikTok. Yes, it's especially for TikTok.
Wow.
Yeah, they're very good at what they do. And I believe the best thing about it is that it can do a lot of hashtag research, which TikTok is based primarily off in their. It's kind of like a lot like Instagram, right? It's a lot of
You
hashtags.
pay 100 ringgit to ease your typing hashtag.
Yeah, and not just that. You actually get a lot more information on the hashtags. Like for example, you just key in a hashtag, right? And what it does is it is able to pull up so much more detail, like all the performance of that hashtag itself, how many people has used it before, what is the engagement rate of the hashtag, average comments that people get from the hashtag,
like the top hashtags kind of thing.
Yeah, total views that they get from the hashtag, these kind of things.
Good.
And if you're a brand doing it, then it's something that you want to invest in.
Data worth investing in.
Data worth investing. It's a good way to analyze your competitors as well. All right. So to recap this week's weekly Tipsy, all you need to know about TikTok analytics. Number 1, you need a pro account to access analytics. All you have to do is go into settings and tap manage my account, then switch to pro. Then you need to key in your mobile number, receive verification code, and then it's done. Yep. Number 2, analytics profile overview. It gives you the overview of your account's performance. It includes your total video views, profile views, and follower counts. Number 3 is follower data that shows you the information of your followers, including the gender and which part of the world they are from. So based on that, you can tweak your content to suit the gender and part of the world they are from. Localize the content. Number 4, content data, which shows the performance for each video posted in the past 7 days. One of the section is the videos that you post in the past 7 days. The another one is actually the trending videos of your past the trending of your past videos that were more than 7 days before. When you click it, you get more information on the videos as well.
All right.
And number 5, using Pentos to analyze competitors. Pentos is a third-party app which gives you a lot more information. All you need to do is just to key in the account number, the account ID, and you're able to pull up so much more information on any account possible, which you can use very well with competitors. And if you were to pay the price of $20 a month, you are also able to get hashtags research, where you can find the performance of hashtags. Then you can figure out whether the hashtags work or not, before you even use the hashtags. All right. So this week's Tipsy VP is part of Social Media Weekly and is available on Anchor FM, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Stitcher, and more. Our full videos are available on YouTube, and we post bits and clips on Instagram and Facebook. This is Tipsy BP episode 8th November 2019. My name is Sean.
And I'm JK.
Au revoir.
Sayonara.